Hey everyone, today we're going to check out the YJ ULong 3x3. This is the UV Clicky magnetic version. The box looks pretty dope, but I like the older YJ box where it has all the colors, which looks like a cube. I just took it off of the plastic wrap. It came in a plastic wrap. First off, the UV coat finish really stands out, glossy and smooth and surprisingly grippy. This is just under 10 bucks on Speedcube shop and thecubicle.com. It doesn't pick up fingerprints easily, as you could see. Let's see how the corner cutting is. This is right about 45. Let's see the reverse corner cutting. It's pretty good. Let's try it. About now it doesn't do. Oh, it does, but you need to put more pressure. But that's about it. Let's see how it does. It doesn't snap into place even though there's magnets, so that's one drawback I would say. It almost does a YJ on like one hand, like there you go, like over that, but the turning feels so satisfying. Here the magnets click. My opinion is it might be a good cube for the beginners if they tension it a little bit, because it comes very uncontrollable out of the box, but I don't recommend it for the intermediate or like fast solvers. But this could be a fun collection, and just make sure you play when you're by yourself, because the clicky noise might be annoying. It's kind of loud, as you can hear. Let's just do it. That's it.